Good morning, YouTube. Dizzy1369 here. Saturday, October 30th, 2021. 10:18 a.m. here in Stanley Park. I got a woodpecker pecking. So let's just watch and listen. He's a slower pecker than they usually are. Now that constant brrrr sound they make. I'm not sure what species of woodpecker this is. But he's pecking himself a home. I like it. Wow, look at that beautiful bird. Red-crested woodpecker. Wow, buddy. Hey, he's throwing pieces of tree at me. Wow, how does that not hurt? Oh, there. Gotta keep it up. There we go. You just toss that piece. Wow, is that what you've done? Well, you're picking you're not making a hole, you just want the term. Hey! Hey! You're taking the bark off. You want the termites and bugs in there? Is that what it is? Wow, this is fantastic. I can just stand way back there and Phil know I had to come and see what he's doing up there. How does that not hurt, buddy? You guys got phenomenal design of your neck and head and beak. I should grab one of these pieces he's throwing at me. Oh, where'd you go? I'll grab a piece he's throwing at me. You just threw a piece of me. Where'd it go? There it is. There he is. That's the piece he just threw at me. I gotta be careful on these, just my eyes. They could really hurt. These are little pieces he's tossing down here. They're good sized chunks of bark. Wowee, look at this. You just... I'm hoping he'll make a call, but it's not looking like it. He's just intent on pecking and grabbing, I'm guessing, termites and ants. There's something chirping. I can't see it, but I hear it. Sorry about that. I'm at a very comfortable position the way I'm standing in right now. I'm on some soft, marshy, not very stable terrain here, and on a slant. Oh, grooming break there. Still gotta look good. Okay, my right foot is really uncomfortable, so I'm gonna stop here. Looks really cool. I'll find out what species it is and put it in the description. I think it's red crested, but I'll look for sure. So, okay. Ciao for now.